Hey everyone! Welcome back to Developer Matty. Today, we're diving into one of Excel's most powerful tools, Power Query. Whether you're working with large datasets or repetitive tasks, Power Query can help you import, clean, and transform data without writing a single formula. Let's get started. Power Query is a data connection technology that helps you import and prepare data for analysis. It works inside Excel and lets you automate your data cleaning process. Think of it as Excel's built-in magic wand for cleaning messy data. Example task: import a CSV file with messy sales data. Let's import a CSV file using Power Query. Go to the Data tab. Click on Get Data from File from Workbook / from Text / CSV. Select your file and click Import. Excel opens the Power Query editor. This is where the magic happens. Once your data is loaded into the Power Query editor, let's start cleaning it. Common transformations to demo. Remove unnecessary columns. Right-click Column Remove. Filter out blank or unwanted rows. Use the Filter drop-down. Rename column headers. Double-click to rename. Change data types. Select column data type E. Date, text. Split columns. Use split column for comma-separated or full names. Replace values. Use replace values for cleaning specific entries. Each change you make gets recorded in the Applied Steps pane on the right. This means you can easily undo or modify them anytime. Once your data looks clean and ready, click Close and Load. Your transformed data is now loaded back into Excel. Let's imagine you get weekly CSV files with messy sales data. Instead of cleaning them every time, you set up a Power Query once. Next week, just replace the file, click Refresh, and your clean data is ready. And that's it. With just a few clicks, Power Query can save you hours of cleaning and organizing data. I hope this helped you get started with one of Excel's most powerful tools. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Excel magic from Developer Matty. See you in the next one.